All right, we said we'd give you an aftermath walkthrough, so I'm freezing my ass off, so I'm going to probably make this one fairly quick. Excuse us, guys. Take a quick peek at the aftermath of some of the stuff out here, and go find some warmth somewhere.
Team Kenny.
Team Kenny, nice job, guys.
Pulled off a win. Cars are they're in relatively good shape.
Since I kind of know these guys, I'm going to go to the back of this one. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
These guys get to start wrenching, I believe, at like 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow. Come on, Adam. All right, I guess we're going to walk without Adam for a little while.
When you got 3% battery left, you use it.
Ah, that makes sense.
Team Busch.
Saw a lot of tires go today. Holy cow.
Yeah. It seemed like the small tire cars were having a little trouble. I think it was a lot to do with the track. They were getting stuck.
We heard some complaints about the track conditions today.
It's gotta be famous.
Definitely at both ends of the spectrum. Either it's still really clean or it's
Yeah, Team Blackout looks good.
it's trashed. There was one buy-round team. It's starting to tilt up a little bit. Oh, do we want to? Creighton's team over there. We got one of the green cars there coming down and in, but be all right. They'll get that pulled back together.
Bad company.
It's coming in pretty well. Bad company is in pretty good shape. How we doing? Oh, losing pieces. We got the tarps out.
Broken axle.
Nope. All right. I think I saw a broken axle break a spindle. I don't think I saw him break an axle. All coming in pretty well. They got a head start. Got down up on jack stands.
There you go. Because
Good
there's
thinking.
nothing to hold the front end up right now.
Oh. What do we got? Reserve crew. That's an oops.
Yeah.
That's all right.
That in. Denny's welding back there looks good.
These guys got about a whole car's worth of parts, so they'll be all right. Do my best not to get run over.
These guys are some of the hardest hitters.
Yeah, absolutely.
Beautiful.
Yeah, drove around like that for a while.
Nice round back wagons.
That aren't so nice anymore.
Yeah.
But actually, a lot of them in good shape.
Yeah, a few of them were.
One team comes out with 3, and they left with 3 still driving, so that's not too bad.
It's always a good day.
Felt sorry for the guy in the sedan.
Team No Name put on a really good show.
Always do. It's coming about straight up and in. Same here. One of those wagons we were talking about.
Wagons.
Yep. If you were up here paying attention, you know I'd already said that.
Snapping memories, Cody.
Adam took 1,000 pictures already.
Getting pretty close to 1,100 now. 1,101.
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh, these guys are still running. Derby.
one's yeah, got some work to do. Oh, there's more people on this side. Yeah, apparently. Unfortunately, America's going to have to come back again and go through the losers heat. Oops. Oh, some stuff's starting to go up. These guys walked away pretty easy. That was the 4-on-2 heat, wasn't it?
I think so.
One of the 4-on-2 heats. Oh. Just shifted a little bit. That one
hasn't either.
yeah. Never doesn't have a stick. Past that. All right, yeah. There was some teams that were out there short-handed. I'm not sure, but I don't believe you're allowed to go out if you did not run today. I could be wrong, but I am fairly confident in that. Trying to get everybody back in here for impound tonight. A little bit crowded in here. It beeps for a second, made me nervous. The Fiesta? Oh, there we go. No, they're not built for burnouts. There's the sedan that didn't make it with the Timo wagons. Alright, I think that's it, guys. We're calling her a day. We gotta get some videos uploaded and we gotta get ready for an RC derby tomorrow.
Absolutely.
And the weather sucks. We appreciate you following along as always.
Get goosed.